Alright everyone, welcome to round one, and this hand... yep, I'm gonna have to mull again. If I knew I was gonna draw into a plane, no, I would keep, but it's too risky for that. This on the other hand, if I get one red, I think it's worth attempting. See how it goes. Anyways, let's see what our opponent's playing. White? Ho ho. So it begins. Okay, that doesn't help me. I don't want to drop the quarter shield because I got potentially get my Mearsmith out. I may drop. I don't know if I dropped that locomotive coating either. So, but yeah. How's this gonna work? White. Alright. Not a whole lot of action here at the beginning. Okay, so there's red. You know, I probably at least play this. I don't know if it's worth waiting necessarily. It's just really Mearsmith. I'll drop Spellbomb. At the very least, it'll help me get my Metalcraft up. You know, was it if I draw like a Metalcraft creature or something? Okay, white black. Is that Nitrogen Scutter? Oh, Kimba Skyguard. Alright. Do you want to blow that up? Yeah, it's just a Skyguard. I don't think so yet. I could. I'd have a liquid metal coating in case. Yeah, I'll blow that up. I want to dig through my library. Alright. 2/2 slag. Okay, that's a thing. I'm not sure there's a point in slow rolling these other. I'll leave the quarter shield because that's something, but I'll play the local meta coding. So now if he drops, I can kill any permanent he's got. At least. That Kimba Skyguard could be annoying, but I could take a few hits from him. Alright, no land drop. Mark Replica. Do I want to kill that? Do I want to kill that? Let's see. 1 for 1. If I don't kill that. I have a feeling I do want to kill that. Yeah. I don't want to draw extra cards at this stage. Not if I don't have anything else on the board right now. I don't know. Okay, he got his 4th mana. He's gonna swing again. Let's see what he plays. Let's see if that shadow was too bit hasty on my part. Like, if I had established board presence already, then no, I would have killed it. But, draw stopper. Alright. Another draw stopper. Okay. Let's see. Right. So here I think we turn that Skyguard into an artifact and we kill it with the Scrap Monster. That way I have a blocker. I mean, the other thing I could do is play out Saber Cloud Golem, but then if I want, then he could just swing back if I can't give it first strike, and then I'll take an extra 4 damage. So, yeah, I think this is the plan. And I could block the Dross Hoppers, unless he wants to cast, like, stuff to, in sack to give it flying. Oh yeah, that's right. We'll see. And I do have a turn to stack if he has a bomb, as it were. Hippogriff, he can bring back his replica. Indeed, that's the one I brought back. I mean, that I passed. Throw it back. He's good. Do I really want to do turn to stack that? Alright. Okay, what do I got? Part of land. Fervor. Okay, so like I said before, in late game, I could start sacking land to it, power it up. Do I swing in? I mean, let's see. He could block with both Dross Hoppers, 2 for 1 is fine, and he could block with Freezer Hippogriff. I would be okay with that as well. Assuming he blocks with Hippogriff, I can drop Razor Claw Golem, but then he swings for 4. Although I could take 4. And then when I untap, I have a pretty good advantage. Most likely, though, he will not block, though. I need to start putting some pressure on him. I'm going to swing in. And then drop the Saber Claw Golem. I have no, I don't know what that second card he has in his hand. He returned that, yeah, in block. Okay, so, alright, I should have figured out. He was, now he's going to swing back for 7. I'll be down to 9. Yeah, I should have fell back. I was a bit hasty on my part. Definitely. Or loose, I should say, on my part. Anyway, he's gonna play his, a Shredder Harness. Oh, okay. Oh. Okay. What do I draw? Alright. Huh. Strider Harness. Yeah, I don't know why. Okay, let's see how much damage he could do. He could, equip, sack. I do want him to equip, though, so I can get value out of that. I could swing, he could swing back, though, so at this point I have to leave up blockers. Definitely. Kind of sucks, but so it goes. I could also drop a quarter shield. Equip. I'd rather do 4 though, I think. I mean, I could drop. Oh, I could drop equip. So then I don't have to worry about having, 1 up for fish strike. So that's what I'm gonna do. I do have to leave up scrap mode back though, just to be on the safe side. And I could swing 4. And then if he equips, I get value. Sweet, sweet value. Thank you, Vigilance. Of course, he could sack it in response if I try Tune to Slag. But, I have to do what's necessary. I wonder if he knows it. Hey, new events. I mean, new updates available. Okay. Let's see. What did I draw? Nothing. Alright. Let's see if he knows to sack in response. I suppose he was trying to draw cards. If it's a replica. Anyways, yeah, that was super loose on my. Oh, okay, he didn't. Super loose on my. I should have held that scrap motor back. Hitting back for 4 was pretty painful. Let's see. Load up, he's gonna block sack in response. If I swing, I have to be safe still. I go to swing with Felvor. He would trade. I think I'd just be on the safe side though, and just swing at the Silk Golem. I could have swung with Felvor. Yeah, because the flying it could be pretty powerful. He's gonna sack a response. I probably should have swung in for the Fervor as well. Yeah. I should have equipped the thing. Well, no, I had to turn to slag that turn. But next turn I'll equip and swing. Assuming he doesn't kill me in the meantime. But I still have to be kind of. The draw stoppers are kind of a pain, as it were. Although I can do him a lot of damage if he chooses to sack and swing. He does have 2 cards in his hand, 2 more cards in his hand, so I gotta be worried about that. Okay, alright, I'm drawing nothing else. Okay. I'm going to, yep, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to re-equip and hope he doesn't have Grasp of Darkness. Okay.